In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to drop-down menu on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to organize existing product links into a clean, easy-to-browse drop-down so shoppers can find what they need faster and your storefront looks more professional. Start by opening your Shopify store dashboard. From the main navigation on the left, click Content. This is where you manage items related to your site's structure and information. Next, click Menu to access your navigation settings. Inside here, choose Main Menu. The main menu controls the primary navigation across the top of your store, which is where drop-downs typically live. On the main menu page, you'll see a list of your current menu items. These might include general links like Home or Shop, as well as links to specific products or collections that you've already added. To place products into a drop-down, you'll organize them beneath a parent menu item. For example, if you have a parent item like Shop or Collections, you'll be nesting the product links under that. Click and hold the product menu item you want to move. Drag it directly beneath the parent item and slightly to the right until you see it indent. That indent tells you it's becoming a child of the menu item above it, which is exactly what creates the drop-down effect. Release to drop it in place. If you accidentally indent under the wrong parent, just drag the item back to the left to return it to the top level, or drag it under the correct parent and indent again. Repeat this for any additional products you want to include in the drop-down. The order you see here, from top to bottom, will be the order those items appear when shoppers open the drop-down on your storefront. You can click and drag items up or down to fine-tune the sequence. Clear, concise names work best, and grouping similar products together helps customers scan quickly. Keep your drop-down focused. Too many items can feel overwhelming, so choose the most important links. On mobile devices, this drop-down will appear as an expandable section, so the same structure you set here will carry over to smaller screens in a way that's still easy to use. That's it. By opening your Shopify store, clicking Content, then Menu, selecting Main Menu and dragging product links to indent beneath the parent item, you've turned a simple list into a tidy drop-down. This small change can make a big difference in navigation and conversion. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.